you're new to cooking, or especially if you want to learn more about Indian cooking, then this video will be very useful for you, because I am going to tell you a lot of tips and tricks and recipe ideas that you can make by using these ingredients. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And you see, here is the winter, and today I am going to tell you what did I order from my favorite online Indian grocery store, that is Jamna.com. And I am also going to talk about the packaging, the delivery time, and how I use these ingredients to make delicious meals at my home. We are the family of 3, and this stuff is sufficient for making snacks and main course. Being an Indian and also a mom, chai or tea is the most important thing in my life right now. So I ordered my favorite Red Label Nature Care, because it has a very nice flavor and it has so many herbs. And I ordered it because it increases your immunity because of the combination of the herbs. I also ordered 1.5 kilo of PG Tips tea, and I read it in a Facebook group that this tea is very popular in England. And then I tried it, and it's really tasty, and you can distinct the flavor from other teas. कोई गरम चाय की प्याली हो और उसको पिलाने वाली हो. And a hot cup of tea goes really well with the namkeen or the salty snacks. These snacks are usually vegan and they are very very tasty. Personally, I would say that I keep munching on them all day long. So I ordered these namkins, and you see, there is long save. And let me tell you one more thing. We belong to Madhya Pradesh, and save is a very important part of our food. Everything tastes better with save. Save is basically a vegan snack which is made by kikar Epsom meal or chickpea flour, and it is spiced with various spices. And this is called long save because it has cloves as a spice. When we are talking about Madhya Pradesh and the central part of India, how can we forget about poha, which is a staple in Madhya Pradesh? Poha is very famous everywhere in India. It is a very famous breakfast, and it is a part of Indian culture. So now there is a big question how to make poha. So there is a recipe in my channel. Please go and watch it, and if you like it, then you can make it at home. And it's really tasty and very healthy morning breakfast. You can also make a dry snack of poha, which is called chivda. You can either fry it. If you fry it, it will be puffed up and it will be very crispy. And you can also roast it on salt, as I roasted it in this recipe. So the link will be in description. You can go and watch it, and you can try it. So when we were talking about chivda, we should also talk about the essential ingredient of chivda, which is called mamra, and it's just a puffed up rice. Poha is flattened rice, and mamra or murmura is puffed up rice. So you can either make chivda, as I told you before. You can also make bhelpuri from murmura, and it goes well with everything. If you want to lose some weight, then murmura is a great addition to your food, because it is good, and it satisfies the crispy and salty craving. You can also make a murmura mixture. I will put the thumbnail here. So this is the recipe of murmura mixture that you can easily make at your home, and it is something that I always keep in my home. And it's very tasty and it's very crispy. And one more thing I want to tell you all: if you people don't like to my videos and don't watch my videos, then what happens is that so many haters come, and this disappoint me a lot. Then let's come to another recipe idea. You can make puffed rice laddu also. From murmura, you can also make another Bengali snack which is called jhalmuri. And I enjoyed jhalmuri a lot as I was in Calcutta. And the specialty of jhalmuri is mustard oil. So I also ordered a packet of mustard oil. Mustard is very important ingredient in German cooking too. It is called Senf in German, and it's available in supermarkets too. But the Senf oil is not the same as mustard oil, because our lovely mustard oil is kachi ghani ka oil. That means it is cold pressed, and it has a very spicy flavor. Also, it is unrefined and it's very healthy. So, where else you can use mustard oil? Here comes the reference of my natural product chemistry studies, and also my mom experience. So, if you have a kid at home, they are prone to cold and cough, then mustard oil is a boon for you. What you can do is you can massage their chest with mustard oil, and also apply it in their hands, palms, and in their feet. So your kid will be nice and warm, and they don't catch cold very easily in comparison to other kids. Also, you can use this tip even if you are an adult. Also very healthy for hairs, so you can massage your hairs with mustard oil if you can tolerate the smell. And if you apply some mustard oil, a few drops in your navel, then your lips will not be chopped anymore, and they will be pink and very soft. You can also make a very easy mango pickle. I put the thumbnail here, and I will put the recipe in the description. Then I also ordered chapati atta. And if you're an Indian, you know how tasty chapatis are. Chapati, paratha, wow, wow, wow. It's very tasty. And if you're into budget cooking, then you should order from Indian grocery stores. So here is the recipe that you can use to make chapati very easily at your home, and you need not any special kind of equipments. Then you can also make paratha from chapati atta. So here, so if you like parathas, you can even try this recipe, where I am not only talking about one kind of paratha, I am talking about many different kind of paratha. So this is a recipe that you can customize according to your need, and it has everything that is sweet, salty, and it goes really well with Indian food. Even better is the multigrain chapati atta. So you can order it from jamuna.com. Then we are going to talk about an ingredient which is a flour, and it is a flour of a lentil which is called chickpea, and it is chickpea flour. In German, it is called Kichererbsenmehl, and it's a very important part of our Indian cooking. I use it to make curry, and most importantly, I use it to make save. In this video, I am making sev and gathia and gulab jamun, which is a very famous Indian dish. A dish that you can make from chickpea flour or Kichererbsenmehl or besan is besan laddu, which is a sweet and it is very tasty. So dal is very famous in Indian cooking, and tur dal can be called the king of all the kind of dals. So dal basically means a lentil, and if you are interested in frugal cooking and vegan cooking, then you should consider making dal at home, because it's a very tasty addition to your food, and it is rich in proteins. So here is the simplest recipe ever to make a dal, and I will in future upload more recipes, and I will put the link. So, dal is very healthy, but the problem with many dals is that they are a bit tough on your stomach, and that's why I always order moong dal. You can mix moong dal with rice, and then you can cook it in pressure cooker, and your khichdi will be ready. And in khichdi, if you don't know what khichdi is, it is an Indian comfort food that we usually eat when we are sick and our stomach is not functioning well. If you ask me what is my favorite recipe made up of moong ki dal, then I would say kachori, because I love kachoris very much, and this is one of my very famous recipe in YouTube. Then last ingredient, but it's very important for Indian cooking, because in South you make tamarind paste and you add it to all kind of South Indian food like rasam or sambar. And in almost all the Indian street food, that is especially called chaat, tamarind is one way or another added. And you see, I talked about my kachori recipe before, and I also added some tamarind to it. So, tamarind is very tasty. Before I leave, I want to talk about Jamna.com, which, in my opinion, is the best online grocery store ever. It has food items in wholesale prices, and almost all the Indian grocery items are available there. They have a very fast delivery, and everything is well packed, and I have never had any complaint about Jamna.com for delivery. And also they offer you so many new offers, and when we are talking about offers, why don't you use the coupon code pragati underscore jan, so that if you are planning to order from jamna.com, you can get 5% off in your next order or this order. So, if you want to know more about my coming videos, just stay tuned to my channel and keep coming back. If you like this video, and please hit like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and we will meet again with a new topic and a new video. Until then, bye bye.